Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. So I will put this one go to the right and we have the negative sign in here. Next, we divide both sides by 2v squared minus 1 and 3x. Next, we can put the integration for the both sides. Now, we need to find this integration. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to 2v squared minus 1. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides. This one, we have 2v. We just applied the product rule of the derivative. This one, that is about the constant, so you got 0 in here. Because we don't have number 4, so we divide both sides by number 4. So this one we change by u. V dv we change by this one. The integration of du over u, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about 2v squared minus 1, and I will put about c. The integration of this one, that is about this one. This one we have ln of the absolute value of s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.